chances of World War III. So what do you think, in your opinion, which is the most important reason for World War III? Will it be trade war, or will it be water, or will it be boundary disputes? Clear about the topic? With the rapidly growing economy, is it the terrorism, or is it the overpopulation, or is it the climate change? Clear about the topic? Okay, you can start it.
I think in general, I think the main problem we are facing now is overpopulation, which hinders the development of any country.
So I agree that as we can see that in Delhi also that free electricity is also given, and there is a very large population that it's around 1.5 crores in Delhi. So in that, if free electricity is given, that is a burden on the economy, and also in the public transport like buses, there it is free for women. So that is also freely given by the Delhi government, and that's also.
That the growing economy, the countries which are growing, those are being affected by the climate change. Like we can take the example of our country also, and other Australia also. It is also a growing economy. But we can see that in previous 2 years we have been seeing that there is certain increase in the temperature. And I partially agree with the test number 27, but the climate change is due to overpopulation. Because due to overpopulation, pollution is also increasing day by day. So this is
I would like to add one more point. But terrorism is also a big hurdle for to stop over the rapidly growth of the world.
As overpopulation, people don't get the job, so they think
Yeah,
that
yes, and they are greater facilities like medical aid in the government.
But gentlemen, as you are mentioning population, we can see that USA is the world largest economy, and its population is not more than our state UP. So population is not the main concern.
I think India has a very large population, and the most of the people are unemployed. That's a burden to the government because they are have to provide relevant examples.
But we can take example of Pakistan.
Degradation of an economy. I want to give an example of 1971 during Bangladesh Liberation War. Then many people of Bangladesh migrated to India's northeastern states. As from earlier northeastern states were not very much developed, and more population also increased there, and resources got shortened, and this leads to loss of economy only.
But gentlemen, as you are the economic development for the export and trade.
And I want to try to point that unemployment people are unemployed, so the basic needs have to be taken care by the government, like hospital aids is being provided to the people who are unemployed. So that is also a burden on the economy.
So it creates poverty among the peoples of one's nation, which so government needs to provide subsidies that also affected our
When population
economy.
increased in the northeastern states, when population increased in the northeastern states, as the resources got shorted, and the people that who migrated from the Bangladesh easily got influenced by the activities of insurgents. So they took the path toward insurgency, and this leads to destruction of our Indian home.
Gentlemen, we can take the example of Nigeria and Pakistan, whose population from the last 2 decades grow at a very faster rate. So they are now facing poverty.
And I would
Gentlemen, as we all know that world is being holding the conference for curbing the problem of the climate changes like COP26, and it was necessary because of the production that is
I think yes, it
economically
is
producing this product through the help of the energies that are hindering the climate. So for this, but we were being told that there were some notices and also some truces were made, and also some.
I think it's important from the point of view of the world, but I think from the point of view of economy, the population is a major.
due to overpopulation, some people don't get jobs,
Gentlemen,
and they
because of
feel
which
that
we-
government economy is trying to find that.
This is the main reason why brain drain is taking place, why people are migrating from India to different countries, as they are seeking for better opportunities than India. As India is more populated and less amount of opportunities are there, and that's why they are migrating.
I would also like to point out, like if you see the population of Japan, it's very low, and after the Second World War, they focused on the human resources, they worked on their youth, and that's why the good quality of product is coming up from Japan, and Japanese economy is growing. And if you see at the Indian economy, because we don't have skills that which is required, because we are not able to give them the proper education, that is needed.
But
That's
gentlemen,
why-
we all know for the factories and industries to produce their goods, they need the fossil fuel, and that fossil fuel is limiting the climate. And in Kyoto protocols and other conferences which were held for the betterment of environment, there were promises being made by the countries and also the developing countries that they will degrade the emission of those harmful gases.
Because of
Because of the production of our country.
Why there is more
That's why we are not
why
able-
there is more use of resources? It is
That's
mainly
why-
because of
The government-
For this we have access to the-
government
for this we have
is
access to the
demand-
conventional source of energy, and still we are checking for those.
See, we are already moving towards the conventional source of energy, but the technology is not.
That's why the path of growing production is being slowed down because of that. And this is the major problem being faced by the countries nowadays.
Yes, you
Okay,
have
gentlemen, I may recommend testimony
But
for
there
all
are-
views, but my views is that the reservation quota is also a big hurdle for the development of our country. It plays a vital role because our government expended a lot of the money for to get the reservation. What happened? That a lot of capable person will not come in for the development of the country, and they same things
But
happen.
the
If
reservation
you take the
also
example of the
population.
population,
I agree
they will not-
and I support that, but our bill is not related to reservation, so come back on our topic.
For the
I
government-
want to ask that reservation is to
I want to
fulfill
ask
the requirement of
page
the
number 24 mentioned that the Pakistan is day by day increasing its population and his economy will degrade. But as you mentioned, China is the second largest population in the world, and his economy grow day by day as.
I think that's because the China they provided more technology for the new startups, and that startups created a very large employment rate in China. That's why the Chinese people are very good.
You see that China is geographically it is bigger than India and has lots of resources, much resources than India.
Generally, I
And
want to
people
give an
are
example of
more
country Venezuela. Venezuela is more populated country and there is very shortage amount of resources and people are there. It is very hard to at least travel on the road as population has increased. The corruption rate has also increased, which is the main reason behind is overpopulation only.
I agree.
Okay,
By
increasing
the population, the
Just
corruption
to
rate also
realize that
increases.
from where the overpopulation came there. Because we need to make a strict rules to control the population. Because if a Hindu gets married, they have to make a wife to children.
Totally agree with that.
Other castes like Muslim,
And India is
have
diverse,
children.
and as India has
Then the
diverse culture,
the children,
the people are different,
differently divided.
religions give their, so the religious factor also comes in.
Gentlemen, we
Yes,
all know
I
in
agree.
Jammu Kashmir 5.9
Indians
million.
on the
Gentlemen,
Indian
as we all know
I
in
think
Jammu Kashmir 5.9 million tons of lithium is being produced, is being found, and which is aid for our economy. But still, we have to keep in mind for that, for the utilization of that lithium, we have to keep in mind that we should not emit out those harmful gases and other things that will hinder the climate, and because of which we can see that this is the main concern of our country, that we should switch to these EVs and other things.
Okay,
And should
gentlemen,
grow
I
our
like to
economy.
question number 27, and I would like to add one more
For
point there.
growing our
Because
economy, we are
government is
switching
taking a
to
strict
this kind
action
of
to control the
If there is not also consider why the government is using the subsidy. The government can only use for the power only.
Make a
That only
batteries and
small
it will
population.
help to control our
Think
fossil
India has
fuels.
half
And
population.
Second most populous country, and the demands of the energy is increasing day by day to fulfill.
And because
we
of that,
totally dependent on, we totally dependent on foreign countries to.
And gentlemen, because of that
to fulfill their
population,
demand.
because of that population also
50%
we are deforestation, we are doing deforestation, which is directly related to that climate change.
So,
You
but
can see
yeah,
our
directly the population is affecting the
It is also affecting the climate
Now the
change.
main
Climate change is
concern- so now the
taking
main
place.
concern switch to the climate change now.
Generally,
The climate change is because of the overpopulation, so the climate change is just a part of the reason behind the
But
overpopulation.
it is also slowing down our production rate, because we have to keep in mind that we should not emit out the emissions.
It is coming
which
from
are harming the climate.
Yeah,
And because of
yeah,
which we have to
yeah.
switch to those resources which are conventional sources.
But
And we
our
don't have
modern
much-
technology is not
but- and we
available
don't
that
have
we
much
can
power
convert that
plants
into-
and also much technology that we can use.
Generally,
to
I would like to
utilize
add
our
one more
conventional
point.
sources.
I would like to add
Our
one more
economy is
point
not
there.
growing very much.
Okay, gentlemen, I would like one more point there in 24, just number 24, because terrorism is a main hurdle. Because what is the reason? Because a lot of population there, unemployment is there. Because people have no job, they did not get instruction and food for them. That's why they follow the wrong path. And some other countries, people, so like yesterday Pakistan, misleading them, and it creates hurdle for the development.